Subtraction review, if you messed up on the subtraction problem on the quiz, it means that you probably already know how to combine like terms. If this is your first time through, but if this isn't your first review, then you've already talked about combining like terms, which means again the label does not change. That if you have 6 K's and you put those together with 3 K's, that you should have 9 K's, that it should not change what you actually had put together. So with addition and subtraction, it's the same way. The label does not change. Subtraction is pretty much still combining like terms. The difference is that you have to switch what's going on whenever it's subtracted, otherwise you're going to probably miss it. And today, on today's sheet, if you don't show me the switch, then you're going to pretty much miss that whole thing, and you're not going to get credit for anything that's on there. So again, keep that in mind. This is a participation grade, so anything less than 100% again can pull you down, so make sure you work for your hundreds. You do have 2 days to do this, but again, the main source of errors again is just in not combining like terms correctly. For example, when you put 5x squared with 2x squared, for some reason you put x to the fourth, which should not happen. The second is that you just don't rewrite it. So again, I need you to do exactly what I am doing here if you want credit. So what you have to notice is that there is a minus sign here, and minus means we need to switch both of these things. So rewrite it as 5x squared plus 3x minus 2x squared minus 7x. If you do not show me that on the sheet today, then you're not going to get any credit on any of those questions. And you can hand it in how you want. It's just that you're going to get a low score and it's going to pull your grade down. Anyway, that's 2x squared, sorry. And then you put your like terms together. Again, what we just saw in the other video, or what you know already, is that 5 minus 2 makes 3. And again, the label does not change. There are 3 x squareds altogether. Now you put positive 3x with negative 7x to get negative 4x. That's all. That is all you have to do. You just have to make sure you're careful. Again, on the second one, you have a subtraction sign, which means switch everything behind it. So we put 8x minus 6y, and then minus 3x, and then minus 8y. Putting 8x together with 3x, you get 5x. Negative 6y with negative 8y. Notice again that is 2 negatives, which makes 14y, or negative 14y. If you don't know what negative 6 minus 8 is, don't forget you can use your calculator on the test to make sure that you can verify it. But the main thing is, I should see this line and that line on your work today. And for those of you who feel like, I don't think I should have to show the work, keep in mind again, you missed the question. I gave you your opportunity to do it your way. So if you want credit on this, you're going to do it my way, because obviously you did not know what you thought you knew. So please make sure you do it right. Otherwise, you're not going to get any points for that. And I'm not going to really argue with you about it. I'm just going to go ahead and put the grade in the book. Again, remember that we do not change the variable attachments because we're simply combining terms. Please take a moment to complete this so you can get your credit for the day. Again, because you missed it, it's mandatory that you rewrite the problem for credit. So I should see 2 lines of information on this work, not just 1, because obviously, again, you trying to take a shortcut last time did not pay off. That is if you're trying to take a shortcut. But like I said, just make sure you do it right so I can give you your points, and that your grade can stay where it needs to be.